everybody, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I am about to do my do-it-yourself Aaliyah Barbie doll. So I couldn't get her for some reason. She was sold out, right? So fast, so I didn't get the opportunity to get the doll. So as you can see, yes, I'm zooming in. You can see right now I have two Barbie dolls standing in front of me. And this is the $1.99 Fashionista doll. And I got her off of eBay for like $15. And then this is another Barbie I have that I'm going to use to give her a body donor. Okay. So I will show you that the doll that I'm going to use as Aaliyah, she is not fully articulated. So I am going to zoom and I'm going to show you what her body looks like. So I'm just waiting for my camera to move because I had to record this a second time because the first time I recorded it, something was wrong with the audio. So I had to do it all over again. So yeah, that was crazy that she sold out. And I was just shocked that this doll, being an American singer, the doll wasn't in the States, not here in the US. She was in other areas, which was crazy to me. But as you can see, this doll is not articulated. Her knees don't bend, her ankles don't bend, and she's a tall Barbie. And as you can see, her elbows and wrists doesn't bend either. So we can't have that with her being the Aaliyah Barbie doll because Aaliyah is a dancer, okay, as well as a singer or an actress. So we're going to be using this doll body. Or the skin tone is a little different, but that's okay. Because even when you dress these dolls, it's not that noticeable. Okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm going to have some fun. Now, my lighting, for some reason, is super bright. So I am sorry about that. That is super bright. I don't like that. But yeah, so we're going to use her. And although I kept trying to fix the lighting in my room because I'm recording in my room, it was crazy. So yeah, so here we have these four dolls and we're going to switch their heads out, right? That's what we're going to be doing. So as you can see, it's four Barbie dolls here. Three of them are fully articulated except for the one all the way to the left in the pink. She's not fully articulated. Her ankles don't bend. So to me, in my opinion, the Made to Move doll bodies are the best, okay? Because they bend very well, okay? So this one on the far left with the pink, she is articulated, but not at her ankles, so that's not going to work. We need the Made to Move body, okay? So I'm going to dip these dolls' heads in some hot water, and we're going to switch them out. Okay, sorry, I'm just going along as I'm talking because the first audio just came out terrible, so I had to do it over. So yeah, but as you can see, these two dolls, their skin tones are slightly different. It's not the same. I know it looks the same, but if you look at the doll with the lavender, her skin tone is a little more orangey, right? She has a little more orangey, peachy skin tone, like a dark, like a caramel, more of a caramel skin tone with a little bit of orange and red. You can see it. And this doll, her skin tone is a little more tan, okay? Although I know they kind of look the same, but it's not, especially in person. So I'm going to use the doll in the purple. She's going to be the body donor for my new Aaliyah doll, okay? My do-it-yourself custom Aaliyah doll, okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And I can't wait to do it. I couldn't get the Aaliyah doll Barbie doll because she sold out too fast. And on eBay, she was selling for way too much money. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm letting you know I'm switching their heads out. They're going to be on totally different bodies. And I will show you that in this video. Okay. She's super tall, this doll right here. So yep. So as you can see, I got the Aaliyah doll body and I'm dipping her head in the water. But The problem is I had to end up removing her out of the plastic bag, and I dipped her head directly into the hot water simply because that didn't work. And believe me, I did not want to pop the neck peg. You have to be very careful with it. I know some people use a blow dryer to soften the doll's head so that they can pop the head off the body. So as you can see here, I changed all their bodies out. They're all on a different body now. Aaliyah is finally in her body, and I dressed her up in an outfit that I thought would look sort of like what Aaliyah would wear. Of course, these are the doll clothes that I have. I don't have the Aaliyah outfit, like the 1 in a million outfit. So yeah, I just put on some white sneakers, some baggy sweatpants, and a black jacket. As you can see, I'm zooming in, and Aaliyah did like to wear like baggy sweatpants and stuff like that. Yep. So this doll is a nice look for her. She looks close to her. And yes, I changed the purple doll out on the other mate to body that was more tan. But I do have a problem with it. It's near the neck, it cracked a little bit. So that's why I say you have to be very careful. So as you can see, all of them is changed out. As you can see. Okay. She's so pretty, this doll with all this blue hair. She reminds me of a mermaid. So yeah, I changed them out. And now she is on the tall body, as you can see, right? Yep. But no articulation, so I don't like that at all. And there's my girl right there. And she has a perfect hair for Aaliyah, although this doll hair is jet black. So as you can see where I took some other photos of her and I dressed her in the next outfit. She's in the army fatigue, and she had on like some brown boots. I'm zooming in, and these clothes I've been had for the longest time. Okay, so yeah, so I put her on that outfit. I thought that was cool. I just worked with what I had, and I brushed her hair over her eye. Because Aaliyah do be dressed like that. Here's the bird outfit that I put her on. Okay. So she has on like this cute little beige leather jacket and the black bodysuit and this long lace skirt where you can see through, and these tan leather boots with fringes on it, right? So I thought she looked so cool. So the black and the tan is pretty for her. Sorry about the males is always focusing. So yeah, I thought she looked really cool in that outfit. It was fun to dress your dolls up, right? So it's just about the angle of her. And this doll, her hair is nicely rooted. So I really love the way they re-rooted her hair. So it's pretty thick. It's nice and thick. So yeah, so if you don't have the Aaliyah doll, you can get this doll right here. I got her off of eBay for $15, okay? And she was brand new. Because she is the Fashionista $199. And I just switched her body out. Yeah, so here we have the first 3 images of her, of the 3 outfits. So now, so as you guys can see, this is the bag of clothes. And I just searched through here to try to find her some outfits. Okay. And I found this outfit right here. It's the next outfit I'm going to dress her in. I saw Aaliyah dressed in something that looks like this. Okay, so we got to put her on this next. And the pink sneakers that she already has on. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right. Focus. Try to make it focus. And she can keep those sneakers on. Maybe it's my lighting is too bright. I don't know. Nope, that's not good. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, guys. And as you can see, this is her, how I have her dressed right now. And I'll take a picture of her. Okay, guys, so you can just see that I'm here And I'm showing you her next outfit. And Aaliyah did like playing basketball. So I'm just showing how I changed up her outfits a little bit. And I'm having a lot of fun with this. Only thing I do is just brush her hair, and I washed it in hot water. But yeah, this is her basketball outfit. And she had on an outfit very similar to that. Okay, here's another outfit of her. Aaliyah do love black. That was her favorite color. So, yeah, so I dressed her like this in this all black getup. I thought that was pretty cool. And, yeah, she did like the dark side a little bit. She liked them vampires and stuff. So, yeah, and she loved black and white movies, okay? So she just got on some white little sneakers and some black pants, focus camera, and a black little, varsity jacket, and a New York Yankee hat, hat, right? So, guys, moving along. Yeah, now we have the next outfit, where I put Aaliyah in this like gray sweater. She did like a photo shoot. She did many photo shoots, and she had something like a gray sweater and some type of pants she had on with some heels. As you can see, I got her in some black shiny patent leather boots, and her hair is just down. So yeah, I'm just having a lot of fun. So guys, this is just all of the outfits that I put her in. And I had a lot of fun doing this. Like, I had to dig through all these bags, but it was fun.